In this video, I'll show you how to get your disk out of your PS5 in case it's stuck inside. And even if you press the eject button right over here, nothing is happening. Don't worry, we don't have to remove the disk drive. We just need to remove this panel to have access to the internals. So let's get started. You're going to put the PS5 in this position. As you see, you're going to take one of your hand and you're going to stick it right over here. You see? Grab the panel with two fingers this way. The other hand can just stabilize the whole console so it does not fly down the table. And we're going to simply lift up and push towards the right side. So let me do it. Just like that. You may need to use a bit of force, but you know, usually just by lifting it, it will detach itself. It's held by these kind of prongs, and they go in these holes over there. All right, so this is the disk drive. And if your disk is stuck, we need to go right over here. There's a small hole with a Phillips head screw inside. Take a Phillips head screwdriver, PH1. Should look like this. I'll put a link in the description if you don't have one. And what you need to do is to simply put it in this hole and turn it clockwise to eject the disk. And by doing this, you see the disk is coming out. Put your hand over here because it will fall and take it. And just by doing this, the disk is out. Now it's time to put back the side panel. Take your panel, align the disk hole over here with the disk drive. Whoops, I'll show you like that. Put it loose, okay? And just by moving it around, you're gonna feel that those little prongs are falling inside of the holes. And then with your left hand, try to push it down over here, and with your right hand, I'm going to push the whole panel towards the left side. Okay, so let me do it. I'm just putting here and pushing down. And here we go. Everything is in place. It's not going anywhere. You should hear a small click while doing this. So this is it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please leave a like. If you have other tricks, please leave a comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.